This is the sound check for the Alto Cycling hub. Okay, starting off with the Alto Cycling hub has a 48 tooth drive ring, which gives it 7 degrees of engagement. It is a side-load adjustable hub with an aluminum driver body. It uses an oversized bearing, which is nice, and their large drive side flange helps with making the bracing angles on both drive and non-drive side more symmetrical. It's a lightweight hub, relatively quiet, has a great seal system for the driver body to the hub shell. And yeah, it's a nice hub all in all. Anyways, that's the Alto Cycling hub.